Today is our 31st open house. What we do is we open up the entire building to everybody who wants to come in.
Today we had about 120 cars. We filled the parking lot, we filled the street, along with some really incredible vendors. Kids are 100% of our future. That's what my grandpa always told me. And we do a huge toy drive, and we have a lot of beneficiaries for that. We also have donated millions of dollars over the years. We did Chalk Hospital, Mary's Path, Beyond Blindness, tons of nonprofits in the area, and we want to continue to do bigger, better, and more as we go on.
I have come to the Marconi Museum a few times in the past, and the cool thing about the open house, it's open to the public, and everybody who's involved is awesome, so we were excited to come.
It's an awesome location. It's for car enthusiasts to come and talk about cars and meet people and see amazing cars that people have. I'm excited to see more events in the future. I'm excited to see the cars inside. The atmosphere is great.
I saw a post through social media. They donate to charities, so why not be part of something great?
For 31 years, the Marconi Museum has given to children's charities throughout Orange County. This is a museum with a mission.
Dad's mission was to use this as a tool to generate money for kids at risk. We have a certain amount of time left on this planet. What we've left for the kids is getting better each day. The legacy, now it's handed down to the third generation, and it's never been in better hands. We'd like to thank everybody for supporting us and our community for what we do. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much.